Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing very delicious, different and healthy recipe. I am making avocado toast. If you're a fan of avocado toast and often buy from different cafes, this recipe is right there for you. It's very easy, delicious and quick. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First, I'm taking a medium-sized avocado. Take the pit out, take all the flesh out in a bowl, and mash it very well. Now I'm adding some chopped onion and tomatoes with cilantro. Squeeze some lemon juice and season it with some salt. Mix everything well, and now you have avocado spread ready. Today I'm taking multi-grain whole wheat bread and spreading like a thick spread on top of the bread. Now you can add any other seasoning, black pepper, za'atar, whatever you like. I'm topping it off with some fried egg, adding some crushed red peppers and some cilantro and salt. And here is the quick and easiest but delicious, creamy and healthy recipe. Somehow I'm obsessed with avocados these days. It's creamy, it's delicious and all the healthy fats. So if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.